Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a vehicle that redefines luxury, performance, and innovation at the 2026 Bentley-inspired motorhome. It's not just a motorhome, it's an evolution of what it means to travel and ultimate comfort and style. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome takes everything you thought you knew about RVs and turns it into something extraordinary, merging the elegance of Bentley with the practicality of a home on wheels. Let's start with the exterior design. The first thing that catches your eye, this motorhome has a sculptural quality that is impossible to ignore. It boasts a sleek, high-gloss pearl white finish combined with elegant black accents and gold detailing that gives it a level of sophistication rarely seen in vehicles of this size. The front end exudes a commanding presence with its wide stance, a low-slung bumper, and sleek, aerodynamic lines that not only look beautiful but also help with the performance of the vehicle. Every curve on the motorhome is purposeful, enhancing airflow and adding to the elegant look. The headlights are seamlessly integrated into the design, with soft LED lights that highlight its regal front, and a distinct Bentley emblem sitting proudly in the center of the grille. As you move along the sides, the vehicle's shape continues to impress. The clean lines and minimalist approach keep the focus on the stunning proportions of this motorhome. The windows, large and panoramic, are designed to offer unobstructed views while adding a modern touch to the overall aesthetic. The aero-inspired wheel arches and large custom wheels with gold accents give the motorhome a luxurious yet robust feel. There's a noticeable attention to detail with every component. Even the door handles, thoughtfully designed, have gold inlays to match the overall grandeur of the exterior. The overall length and width of the motorhome suggests that it's not just about luxury, but also about the power and space needed for the ultimate road trip experience. The rear view is equally stunning, with sleek, integrated LED taillights and a futuristic spoiler that maintains the vehicle's performance-focused persona. Every single angle is a masterclass in design, blending functional aerodynamics with high-end luxury aesthetics. When we move to performance, you quickly realize that this is not just a luxury vehicle for show, it's engineered for real-world driving. Beneath the stunning exterior, the 2026 Bentley Motorhome is powered by an innovative hybrid engine, combining electric propulsion for efficiency and high-output combustion power for long-range performance. The transition between electric and combustion modes is smooth, making it a pleasure to drive, whether in city traffic or on open highways. The hybrid engine is paired with a cutting-edge all-wheel drive system, ensuring that the motorhome handles effortlessly on any terrain. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on rugged mountain roads, the combination of the hybrid powertrain and adaptive air suspension ensures the ride is exceptionally smooth and stable. The suspension system can automatically adjust to different road conditions, providing comfort while also improving handling. This means you can drive with the ease of a compact sedan, even though you're piloting a vehicle that's over 30 feet long. One of the most remarkable features is the intelligent all-wheel drive system that adapts to the terrain. If you're driving through a city, it switches to electric mode, offering a quiet, smooth ride with zero emissions. On the open highway, the combustion engine engages, giving you plenty of power to handle long-distance drives with ease. The system allows you to switch between eco-efficient modes or go into performance mode when needed, offering an experience tailored to your preferences and the environment. Performance-wise, this Bentley Motorhome doesn't just cruise, it accelerates smoothly and quietly, giving you the sense that you're driving a supercar rather than a traditional motorhome. The braking system is equally impressive, with regenerative brakes that recover energy while slowing down, contributing to better overall fuel efficiency and enhancing the vehicle's eco-friendliness. As you drive, the intelligent safety features make their presence felt, from adaptive cruise control to lane assist, obstacle detection, and 360-degree cameras, ensuring you're always in control and safe, no matter where you travel. But let's not forget about the interior. The moment you step inside the Bentley-inspired motorhome, you realize it's more like entering a luxury penthouse on wheels. The interior follows the same design philosophy as the exterior, with a color palette of pearl whites, blacks, and gold accents throughout. Italian leather upholstery wraps around every seat, and the soft, Polished wood paneling creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The driver's cockpit is a work of art, with a holographic dashboard and digital controls that make you feel like you're operating a vehicle from the future. The reclining seats are not just comfortable but come with memory foam padding to ensure the ultimate relaxation for long drives. There's a high-tech entertainment system integrated into the walls, offering access to streaming services, navigation, and more, all controllable through voice commands or touchscreen panels. The living area is equally stunning, with a wrap-around leather sectional sofa that invites you to relax and enjoy your journey in style. There's a floating glass coffee table in the center and a retractable 4K OLED screen for entertainment. The kitchen area is designed to be fully functional yet luxurious, featuring a polished marble countertop, high-end chrome appliances, and plenty of storage space for all your culinary needs while on the road. LED lighting runs along the entire ceiling and under the furniture, creating a warm ambience, while a smart temperature control system ensures perfect comfort no matter the weather outside. The bedroom is a haven of relaxation, featuring a king-sized bed with a custom leather headboard, soft LED accent lighting, and a panoramic window that brings the outside world into your private space. The space is designed to provide the perfect night's sleep, with soft, breathable linens and advanced climate control to ensure a peaceful rest every night. Hidden compartments and smart storage systems throughout the interior ensure that everything has its place, making it as practical as it is luxurious. The bathroom is a fully-fledged spa experience, with marble floors, a rainfall shower, and touchless fixtures. Every detail has been thought of to elevate the experience to an entirely new level of comfort. The interior design of the motorhome combines high-end furnishings and advanced technology, making the space feel like a luxurious suite rather than just a place to rest while traveling. This 2026 Bentley-inspired motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a symbol of the future of luxury road travel. It combines the best of luxury automotive design with the freedom and versatility of a mobile home. Whether you're looking for cutting-edge technology, unmatched comfort, or simply an unforgettable driving experience, this motorhome delivers it all. From its stunning exterior to its remarkable performance and opulent interior, it sets a new standard for what it means to travel in style. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of luxury motorhomes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting reviews and content on the best in future automobiles.